Hello, I hope you're having a great day. So, another 40 by 36 foot space for flowers. It's all plowed, thank you to my dad, and it'll be ready to put zinnias. I'm planning on doing zinnias up here. It gets sun all afternoon, and I think it'll be good. So I'll have a 40 by 40 foot, and I did buy zinnias in specific colors so I can do rows of colors and succession plant the way I want, and we will just see how they do up here. I didn't add quite as much as I thought I was going to. I thought I would double it every year, but geez, last year was a chore. I do think it'll start getting easier, so we'll see how this goes. I hope it's successful. Yay! I do have a bouquet to make today for the garden club. I'm donating a bouquet for their silent auction at the butterfly garden, and then I have my mini bouquets to make for the coffee connection, and hopefully that will be a day. I have some deliveries and some other stuff to do today, so just wanted to give you an update. It's pretty exciting to see another area ready for flowers. And then I got all of the coffee connection bouquets done. I ran them to them this morning, and now I have a birthday bouquet to make. And then I have some personal things to take care of. And then I hope to get back out here and possibly dig my gladiolas and my dahlia tubers today. But if I don't get to it, that's okay. I also need to go through all my tulip order, make sure I got everything. And then I think I'm going to create labels so I have them when we get the furrow dug. Then I can just put in the tulips, put the label, and move on to the next, and hopefully get that project done. So still busy on the farm, but I think it'll be winding down by the end of this week. Hello, so it's been a long day. I had a lot of things going on today, but I got back out here. I got an order for 3 bouquets, so I got those all made. And I got an order for a florist tomorrow, so I got some of that put together because obviously it is getting light a lot later. So I put a bunch of it together tonight, and then tomorrow I'll come and cut as many like Snapdragons, Zinnias, and Lisianthus that I can. And then I will run that order to them, and then I'll get back and I'll probably clean up after today. And then I think we're switching to Wednesday to put the bulbs in, so that'll be coming, which is good because I still haven't went through all my bulbs and tagged them and done all of that. So tomorrow I plan on cleaning up my mess from today and getting my bulbs ready after I get back from the florist. And that's going to be it for today's video. And tomorrow I will just be doing more of the same. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed at least seeing the bouquets. I hope you have a great day.